Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making lunch bag. Your belt. Can you see my belt? You'll be needing your belt. This one is 60 inches long. We have the belt. We have the small belt, which is 11 inches long. You need the short handle that will be on top. This short handle is 11 inches by 4. We'll fold into 2 to get 4. Then we need our cartoon character. Cartoon character, just one piece. That is all we are going to be needing. We are going to also be needing our net. Can you see? We are going to be needing our net. And the length of this net is 6 inches by 9 inches. 6 inches by 9 inches. That is the length of the leather. So now, some people call it tape, but you can call it bias. I'm going to be using to tape the inside. Then this is the Lunchbox foam that we are using. This Lunchbox foam, when you use it, you don't need to use any other lining because we are using this video. We also need our zip clothes. You are fixing it, so that is what we are going to be needing. We need adjuster. Can you see our adjuster? We need adjuster for the handle, the long handle, and also look at marco. We have our marco here. This one that is 6 by 4. We are going to be putting this marco. This marco is a 1.2 inches. We are going to be putting it inside, and we will sew it this way and pipe it. We sew it this way and pipe it. That is what we put as the top and. Can you see? We sew it together. So you have to tape it. So you start to tape. You put it like this, and you sew it around. Just the same way you put your taping it. The next thing to do is look at the way the zip is. So the next thing to do is you remove the zip one side of it. Look at it, I'm removing it now. You tape the other side. That's what I'm doing right now. So watch me. Now I'm done taping it with belt, with bias belt. So what I will do by the center. So I will notch this one. I will bring it together. I will bring it together like this. I will notch the center of it. I will notch the center this side, and I will turn it to the other side, and I will notch the center. That is the side center. After notching it, then I will sew this from it. Can you see it? I'm done with it. So now it is time to fix the zip. It's time to put the zip. So you make sure the right side is facing right side. Look at the right side facing right side. Then you put it like this. Then you start sewing. You can decide to add it in between the material to make this one to come to look more thick. But I will not add it. I will later add it to the main body of the material. So you can actually sew the three together at once. You just bring them together like cartoon character on it, and you sew them together. Don't sew it before you curve it. You check. This material is curved 10.5 by 8. I curve it 2 by 2. 2 inches in, 2 inches down. Then I curve it. But I did not, if you watch me very well, I did not curve the cartoon character. I did not curve the foam. So I only curve the main body. So it's after sewing it, I will now use the main body shape to now cut it off. 1 by 1. Then the upside 2 by 2. Then I curve. That is how I have this curve. So you will sew it first. Sew it first before you curve it. Don't curve it when you are not sewing. So look at what I'm doing. I've curved it now. Can you see the shape? Can you see it? I use the main body to curve it. This is the front. So now the back. This is the back fiber. So I will just take the back like this. Can you see the back? I'll take the back and I will just bring the fiber together. The same way I sew the front round, I will sew it together. Can you see? I will sew together. I did not still curve the foam. I'll just only curve the center top. You go down, notch the center down. You do the same thing to the front panel. You will notch it. You will make sure you notch it. Then upside. You after notching it, I'm going to join the zip base, which is the gusset. I'm going to join it together. So look at it. I will bring it together with the front and with the back. So I'll start fixing it. I'll fix the back first. Can you see it? Just really, this is it. So what we do now is to turn it out. But if you want to tape it, you can also tape it. If you want to tape it, you can tape it. You just need to use this your taping pliers. Then start from this bottom. You start from it and you tape it round. You tape it round like this. Then you turn to the other side again. You also tape it round. So that's how you tape it. So after taping it, then you turn it out. After taping it, now putting the adjuster. So you put the adjuster like this. I believe you can put it. You put it like this. Then you take it to this side of it. This first side. Can you see it? Then you take it like this. After that, then you break it down. Yes, it's ready. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Try it and show me your results.